In June 2024, the Nigerian Army, led by Chief of Staff Lieutenant General Tawhid Lagbaja, received 2 Bells helicopters at a ceremony held at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja. Army spokesperson Major General Oyema Uwanchukwu, in a statement after the ceremony, claimed the helicopters were bought new. Checks by Sahara reporters shows the helicopters were not new as claimed. The aircraft are former forest firefighting choppers in South Africa, used for many years and subsequently abandoned. Sahara reporters learned that NA-011 was previously registered as ZT-RAI, while NA-010 was previously registered as ZT-RCS while in the country. They were, however, bought and refurbished by the Nigerian Army authorities. A check on afcon.co.za showed both helicopters were put up for sale on Tuesday, May 21, 2024.